Hello, welcome to my clone base review, and this is the front part right here. This thing right here, pull it back like that, and then the gate opens up like so. It's breaking off. And then right here's like a security camera type thing. And this ladder leads up into the base. And here inside the base, you got the army, which is right here. I've got 6 normal clones in here. 1 Commander Fox, 1 favorites. And I have 2 gunners in here. 2 of these. And they're like conferencing and stuff. And then I have this Commander Cody custom. I'm gonna try to get the real one, but this is all I have right now. And he goes right there. So he's got his own like little station thing, and also inside I have a bunch of extra pieces like these pauldrons and stuff like that, rangefinders, floodlights, visors, anything like that. And then right here, probably can't see this. No, I can't really see it. This is what it is. Except it's on this stand. And this holds the jetpack. You have to get a minifig backplate and just attach it to him. And then like the wings fold out on this. And you want to fly. And this is the jetpack. Then you attach it to the little refueler thing, which is this. You want to attach it to that. And that goes right here on the stand. Can't see it. It goes right there. And then in here, you see Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker. Right here, they're like conferencing with their lightsabers right here. And then right down there, you can see a gun truck. The guns are here. And right here in the back, and this over here. Here in the back, there is 2 Clone Walker battle packs, and this custom clone. He's my second one. I forgot to show you the one that was up there in the front, but I'll show you that right after him. And he's got a rocket launcher, it's orange, and he's got a walkie-talkie. And he just goes right there. And right here, I'll show you. He's like my favorite custom clone. He's like, his helmet's all red everywhere. Then 2 custom pauldrons, and that one, and that one. Then he's got a visor, sniper rifle, and a pistol. He's got this skirt thingy, and red arms and legs. And that's his body right there. And he just goes right here. He's like a guard type dude. And then this guy's the actual guard for the jail. And he's got that on the back for like staffs. And the jail, it's not much, but I just took all the people out of it. But there was these people in it. There was this rebel, this monkey, and this other rebel. So that's all that was in there. It's just a little room they just go in the roof. You just snap it right on. And that's basically all of the jail. And what I did to get all the bricks is I just went on Pick-a-Brick and got 200 of the black ones. Well, I wanted a gray, but I accidentally ordered the wrong kind. But I'm probably going to get more, and this base will be upgraded. And this is the second version because my first version you could hardly ever hear me. So this was my second try. And so, the base plates I ordered off Lego.com. They're the two green ones, and then I attached them together, and they're $4.95 each. And I'll give you a quick look at the inside. I didn't really like that much. Okay. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. And I know you've seen probably some of my other videos. And they're not really Lego related, they're basically just origami, so if you want to learn how to do that, just watch the rest of my videos. I only have two. How to make a crane and a rocket ship. And then I have Potter Puppet Pals, the missing beard. And I also have my Club Penguin Friends and my Club Penguin Friends Improved. And this is my improved version of my clone base. Well, my clone base sound, basically. Because I'm going to upgrade this. I'll make a video on that as soon as I'm done. Alright, please subscribe, rate, and comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.